Namaste, this is Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we will learn 9th class lesson, that is atmosphere. The number of the lesson is 4th. Okay. Now we are able to see here globe. As you know that the shape of the globe is geoid. It contains a sphere of gases are there. The earth is moves from west to east direction. See, now today we discuss about the second part of the lesson, that is pressure belts. Pressure means wind belts. How these winds are formed around the globe because of earth rotation. Earth moves from west to east direction. That leads to form pressure belts, which are giving rain for us. Okay, now we focus there. Yeah, see here air pressure. Pressure means something force. Okay, something force. Now let us read the definition of air pressure. Air pressure means it is a force exerted into the surface by the weight of the air. How this air is even getting weight? Because of the evaporation. How the evaporation, the process of water cycle. Due to the heavy sunshine, these plenty of water bodies, they are going to see, imagine this is water. Due to sunshine, okay, this is what will happen. This leads to evaporated this water body. Already some dust particles are there in the in the clouds. These teeny droplets, they are going to join along with them. When these join together, automatically this air become weighted. So when this part is weighted, automatically these things, these are all teeny droplets, they are going to make a great pressure. That is called as what? That is called as high pressure. That is called high pressure. Now we go for next one. See, the earth around us, see, is a composed of gas molecules, teeny droplets. These molecules constantly pushing each other. All together they give a lot of pressure on the surface of the earth. That is called atmosphere pressure. Now see here. High pressure. High pressure, already I told you here. Once you focus here, high pressure, the definition of high pressure. Okay, if the molecules percentage is increases in the air get weighted and become bigger in size. The earth pulls them onto the surface of the earth. It is known as the high pressure. I repeat, just let me explain here. See, the molecule percentage is increases. These molecules are came from where? Here, due to this evaporation. These molecules, the teeny droplets, when they are joining with these dust particles which are existing in the atmosphere, these teeny droplets and dust particles, when they together joined, that the size become bigger. Okay, bigger. So when they are bigger, okay, they are pushing each other. Okay, by doing of this pushing, they make a lot of pressure toward earth. Okay, toward earth, they are making a lot of pressure toward earth. At the same time, earth also make a pull. How a stone, if we throw a stone into the sky, how the stone is coming to the surface of the earth? Because of the stone weight and as well as the gravitational pull, the pull of gravitational force by the earth. Two actions are taking place. Okay, that is called as what? High pressure. Okay, high pressure means what? if the molecule percentage increases in the air get weighted and become bigger in size. The earth pulls them onto the surface of the earth. It is known as what? High pressure. Now we go for one more thing, that is low pressure. Okay, that is low pressure. Okay, we go for low pressure. Okay, we go for low pressure. Okay, yeah, low pressure. See, we able to see here low pressure. When the hot sun shine is more, these molecules heated up and they get a lot of energy to fly from that place. Okay, this now see here. Okay, when the hot or sunshine is more, these molecules heated up and they get a lot of energy to fly higher and higher. Due to low pressure, when the low pressure is taking place, low pressure means, see, due to sunshine, see, the clouds contain some teeny droplets are there, no? That molecules will be radiated, and when they get recharged, these molecules they skip away from that place. Then automatically, if you see, there is no cloud at all. That situation, like we can see in summer season, no cloud, nothing will be, only clear sky with plenty of sunshine. That position is called as what? Low pressure. Okay, beta, these are the things. Now next we will see, cool makes high pressure. See here, general statements, it is known as low pressure. Okay, heat makes low pressure. Simple. Heat makes what, Nana? Heat makes low pressure. Cool makes high pressure. Okay, next we able to see here, pressure belts. What is that, Nana? Pressure belts. We complete it and we will wind up with this video. What is meant by pressure belts? How many pressure belts are there? Now we see, these are formed by land and water relationship formula. These pressure belts are formed with the principle of land and water relation. How land is receiving heat very fastly and heat loses heat very fastly, but whereas water gets heat slowly and loses also slowly. This is a inversion, climatical condition is taking place. Okay, now see here, wind, the movement of air is known as wind. Now simple definitions, we wind up this video with these things. Okay, wind means the movement of air is known as wind. Breeze means what, Anna? If the air moves with a slow pace, that is called as what? Breeze. See, wind, air, breeze. Now gust, what is meant by gust? We see, gust means this air comes in a short and fast burst, that is called as what? Gust. Okay, that is called as what? Gust. Okay, this air comes in a short and fast burst is called as what? Gust. Okay, now next, storm. Storm means what? If the air comes very fast and blows around us is storm. We see these type of things in especially when the cyclones are occurring. First, air means what, Nana? The movement of air is called as what? The movement of air is called as air. What is meant by wind? Wind means the movement of air is known as a wind. Breeze means what? If the air moves with a slow pace, that is called as breeze. So we feel happy with these breezes and air. See, and you see, gust means somewhat differ. This air comes in a short and fast burst, that is called as a gust. It makes some harmful for humans. And storm, even in it is a high force of air. Even some huts also, their toppers will be, the roof of the huts will be removed. These are the things better that you have to remember. Now we will continue with the next video. Okay, Nana.